The first thing that we have to do is to get hosting in order to install WordPress, and then register a domain so that we can start making the e-commerce website. So this is our step-by-step guide on how to purchase Hostinger hosting and save 20% using the special link in the description below. This is what hosting is. It's going to allow us to install WordPress, upload all of our content, and create our website using the WordPress tools. Hostinger is one of the host providers that I normally recommend, and also what I use for my own e-commerce and WordPress websites. First, click the link in the description to go to the Hostinger homepage. This link automatically applies a 20% discount to your purchase. Hostinger offers several hosting plans, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and cloud hosting. For this tutorial, we'll choose the premium shared hosting plan, which is perfect for most websites. Click Select under the Premium Shared Hosting Plan. This will take you to the next step, where you can choose your billing cycle. Hostinger offers various billing cycles, from monthly to 48 months. Select the one that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen your billing cycle, you'll be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill in your details and continue. Next, you can choose to add extra services like daily backups or Cloudflare protection. After making your selections, proceed to checkout. Enter your payment details and complete your purchase. Congratulations! You've successfully purchased Hostinger hosting with a 20% discount. Don't forget to check the confirmation email for your account details.